Thanks for joining us. I'm Katherine Phillips, filling in for AJ Fox tonight. And while we did have a very dry day in Fresno and mostly dry all across the valley, we are going to see lots of rain this weekend. And with rain in the valley, that means snow up in the Sierra Nevadas. The snow levels are going to start around the 6,000 feet mark. And then as we progress throughout the weekend, dropping down to the 3,000 feet mark. So let's take a look at our winter storm warning that we do have in place starting at Saturday at 4 in the morning. It's going to go until Monday at 4 a.m. So that's going to be the time where we expect the most snow to occur. We do have a winter weather advisory in some of the outlying regions, which is important to note if you are traveling throughout the weekend. But in our area, winter storm warning starting at 4 a.m. for those mountain areas. So this is the Futurecast radar. Saturday around 8 in the morning is when we can start to see a lot of the rain really pick up in Fresno as it moves into our area from the coast. Madera is going to get rain all throughout these mountains. This is where the snow is really starting to pick up. This is Saturday at 10 o'clock at night, and it's just going to keep going all throughout the weekend. But this is Sunday at noon. Some of the rain on the valley floor is starting to slow down at this point. When we talk about the totals, the National Weather Service is saying that we could see 2 to 3 inches of snow per hour, just depending on the elevation in the mountain. So these are some totals that we are predicting at this point. As far as rain on the valley floor, it really depends on just where you are. Fresno could see an inch of rain, Hanford almost an inch, Merced an inch and a half, just depending on how much we get. And this is through Monday at midnight. So that's throughout the whole week, and this won't put you on just one day. That is for the 3 days of rain we are expecting to see. So right now, out of our Eagle Mountain Casino camera, Valley Camera Network, from Sunmaid, Palm, and Herndon, you can see still dry, some clouds in the sky. Traffic moving pretty nicely as we enter the evening commute hours, but no rain right now, just a little bit of clouds. Current temperatures not too bad, pretty mild. 54 in Fresno, 54 in Madera, 52 in Merced, 48 now in Hanford, and 50 in Porterville. And those temperatures are going to continue to drop. So overnight tonight, expect to see lows in the 40s and 30s, just depending on where you are. 43 in Hanford, 42 in Visalia, 46 in Madera, 47 in Chowchilla. But you can see it's going to drop to the below freezing mark. 24 degrees, really below freezing in China Peak, 46 degrees in Merced. For tomorrow, as we work our way through the afternoon, high temperatures, highs are going to be in the upper 50s. Madera 57, Fresno 57, Hanford 60, Visalia 60, Lemoore 60 degrees, and then Tulare also 60 degrees. But you can see that it is going to be chilly as we get into the mountains. Sequoia 34 degrees for your high for tomorrow, and that's going to be even cooler of the places that are seeing the bulk of the snow. So tomorrow, 57 degrees in Fresno and Clovis, and expect rain. On Sunday in our 5-day forecast, look at this, thunder is to be expected. It could happen, very rare for our area. We haven't seen thunder in just a little bit, so that'll be something that we track pretty closely. Monday, we could still see some of the showers from this storm system, but less rain than what we're going to see throughout the weekend. Tuesday, 50 degrees. Wednesday, some fog, 51 degrees for your high. Thursday, 51 degrees, and then Friday, 54 degrees, partly cloudy with some fog in the morning. So Saturday will be the warmest day of the next week as temperatures really get lower and lower as we creep closer into winter. If you want to see this forecast or others, YourCentralValley.com, that is the place to be.
It looks like the only amount of sunshine we might get on a Tuesday.
I was going to say it's in my imagination. But yes, lots of rain. And important to note, I said this at 5, but I'm going to say it again. The possibility for mudslides is very out in the open because of all the burn scars where we got heavy forest fires with all that snow. It is a possibility. So that's definitely something to keep in your mind.
All right. Thank you so much, Ken.
You're welcome.
KSEE 24 wants to